Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? It's been not as long as it was the last video, but I just finished setting up the warehouse. I mean, it's not fully set up. I'm still missing my card sorter. I'm still missing a few other things, a few more racks and storage options and stuff like that. A few tables I'm missing. Just odds and ends, but for the most part, it's set up to where it can operate to what I want it to operate as, which is a warehouse and a fulfillment center. So, yeah, I'm probably gonna give you a tour of that. And actually, I don't think I gave a tour of my store either. So yeah, we're gonna do those two things in this video, and hope you guys enjoy it and follow along and. Yeah, a little bit of a different video. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so right when you walk in, we got this side room. This is where the sorter is going to go. We're probably right in that corner over there. This little rack is going to be for unprocessed cards. And then I'm going to get another rack, couple racks over here for, I guess, processed cards and sorted cards. So we do have quite a bit of unprocessed stuff. We got a couple there, a couple over there, stacks of unprocessed cards, those, whatever's on the rack, and whatever we got downstairs. So this is going to be the sorter room. Yeah, it's not that big. It's probably around this whole thing, the whole upstairs is about 850 square feet. So not as big as the store, but you know. So in total I have how many square feet? 1200 plus 850, no math, don't know math, over 2000. I don't know. Anyway, so this is where the magic happens. The magic. I got the computer, I got a TV, I have my shipping station where I stand for hours on end and ship single cards. I have my other shipping station where I do like Amazon fulfillment and stuff like that. And this is in the process of being filled with singles and stuff like that for the store and for a TCG player and, you know, all sorts of shipping supplies and stuff like that. There's not really much to this place, just two rooms to which I utilize for shipping and stuff. We got a little mini fridge and a microwave for those noodles you're seeing in the other room, because I be staying here late and I need to eat. So yeah, that's about it. It's not too big up here. Like I said, in total probably 850 square feet. Good for what I need it for until I need to grow again, which I don't see myself doing for at least a year or two. I think I can use this space to the point I need to for at least a few more years. I mean, I hope to grow quicker, but I would need to hire a lot more people. I'm sort of capped for what I could do alone, especially with just fulfillment, because I'm literally the only person that does all the ordering, all the shipping, all the receiving. I do everything. And it is a lot, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let's go downstairs, check out the store and stuff like that. Okay, this is the storefront right here. Got some vinyls on the wall. I mean, the mirror, whatever, glass, you know what I mean. As soon as you come in, let's lock the door so no one comes in. We're closed right now. Oh yeah, we had a few shipments come in. Let's open one together. That's kind of a cool thing to do, right? I don't really have... Jesus. Doing this with one hand is... Ugh. Oh, Jesus. Get rid of the invoice. What do we got here? Oh, yeah, that's right. We got some conspiracy. one of the distributors was doing a flash sale. When I say flash sale, I really mean like sale. Because literally I could have bought this off of eBay for probably $10 cheaper than from the distributor. But you don't know what you're getting from, random eBay sellers. And I know what I'm getting from the distributor. At least I hope I know. Anyway, here we go. As soon as we walk in, we got some play space, some pictures on the wall. We have our little machines here, which, to be surprising, like these things probably bring in anywhere between, I would say, $50 to $100 a month, which is insane. It's crazy. So we got a few tables here. We got 3 tables, and when, like, let's say a pre-release happens or something like that, I could whip out another, let's say, 3 tables up here, so I could have 6 tables up front. We have some posters on the wall. We have our vending machine. Not vending machine, Jesus Christ. Our fridge with our various assortment of beverages. Crisis Protocol. Got some supplies. I don't know if you guys know this, but Dragon Shield will be upping their prices. Actually, like, in a few days. So the price of all Dragon Shield products will be increased. I'm not sure by how much, but FYI. As is 2022, where everything is going up in price. Some Funko Sodas, a whole bunch of them, like a lot. They don't really do too well in the store. Have a few local customers who enjoy them, so I stock them. Dice. We have quite a bit of Funkos now. I bought a big collection the other day. So Grails we got up top. I got someone calling me. I'll have to call them back. Some pretty cool stuff. My favorite one is probably this. You can't see because of the glare. This Stanley. Kind of cool. We have back over here a new thing we got, a reward system. So you pretty much every time you come, you enter in your phone number, earn points towards future purchases. Points could be redeemed for like cash off and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. Now, I got the displays here. This is the Pokemon / Magic display because Magic has been sort of encroaching onto Pokemon. I'm running out of room. These displays came from actually an eBay seller. The eBay seller is called Roxy Display, and they're kind of local to me, within like 20 miles. So I pretty much seen that, and I order from them directly. They do also ship off of eBay. Their cases are very affordable. Now they're not like, the quality of them are not great. Like they're kind of like, I don't know, kind of crappy. But I mean, like, see, it's like, I don't know, doesn't stick right. But they were, I mean, I would say you get what you pay for, but they were kind of expensive. So this is all our Pokemon stuff right now. We have a whole bunch of Shining Fates. Darkness Ablaze ETBs. A little bit older stuff. Dark Ascension, Kaladesh, Warspark, Dominaria, stuff like that. Flesh and Blood really did not do good over here for me. Neither did Metazoo, so I'm no longer carrying Flesh and Blood or Metazoo. But I have a very active Yu-Gi-Oh player base, Magic player base, Pokemon. I do have a little play group that comes every now and then, so hopefully once I become an actual Pokemon Play store, get more people here for that. And then back here is where my fulfillment and all like stuff for the online store and Amazon, eBay was. Now it's in the warehouse. So now this will be more play space. Ooh, that was a hiccup. And more retail space. So I got some little Gundams here and stuff like that, little knickknacks, little stuff like that. So I'm going to put another glass display case, and on this side I'm going to put another glass display case, and I'm going to do possibly like some high-end figures and stuff like that. This is just like singles for the store, like commons and uncommons that are cataloged for the store. Nothing crazy. And back here it says restrooms, but it's a little bit more. We got some overstock, binders and things like that. Little slop sink area and oh my god, I left that door unlocked. Jesus Christ, what is wrong with me? Bathroom. I was here, but still I was upstairs. Whoopsie. Yeah, so that's basically it now. Store is that's the full tour. So yeah, that's basically the store. It's not that big. It's around 1,200 square feet, but it's a good starting point, and it's a good I could definitely use more room, more retail space. I don't think I'm currently utilizing this space to its full potential yet. There are certain things that I can do, which is like remove some of the artwork and put more retail space up, or reconfigure my cases, but I just don't really have the time to mess around with that right now. Maybe in the future when I have more time or more people and stuff like that, I can do things like that, but right now I think I'm sort of capped with what I can do. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video and visiting the store, whoever's local and everything like that. And guys, really appreciate it. Peace.